Hello and welcome to the One Marine YouTube channel. Today we've got a very interesting boat to show you. It is a Merry Fisher 695 Series 2, which is a 2019 boat with loads of extras on it, and we're going to show you on board. Okay, for a smaller boat, the Merry Fisher 695 really does pack a lot of extras, a lot of bang for the buck, should we say. You can sleep on it, you can fish on it, you can just have a nice day out with your family and have a picnic. It really does tick a lot of boxes, and the best thing of all, it's all really nice and new, and it feels very fresh and a new boat. As you step on board the 695, you're greeted with this really smart C-shaped seating area with a table in the centre. Great for entertaining, great outdoor space. The material is all this lovely grey diamond fabric with the contrasting centres there. You've got some storage also under the floor. The door is in a three parts. The advantage of that, it actually gives you a really big opening aperture into the cabin. We've got a fridge here on the port side, tucked underneath the seat. Ideal for keeping lunch and bits and pieces on board, maybe even a bottle of wine. Jeanneau have actually come up with some really clever ideas. This seat here actually moves backwards and forwards. So you've now got a forward-facing co-pilot seat, move it the other way, and you've got a seating area around the table. Okay, so our classic One Marine helm shot. I'm sat here at the helm, slightly smaller than some of the boats on our channel, but it's got everything you need. It's got a bow thruster. A 695 with a bow thruster really is just probably one of the easiest boats in the world to drive, so there's no worries about that. She's got the 150 Yamaha on the back, which is a great outboard, worldwide reputation for being really, really good. So you've got hydraulic steering, really super easy to drive. Up here on the dash, you've then got your Garmin chart plotter and fish finder, and you've got the digital Yamaha engine data screen there, which gives you all your fuel burn data, any alarms you might be getting, checks oil temperature, that type of thing. Coming a bit further down, you've got the start-stop switch for the engine. You've also got a double USB charging point there, really handy for your phone. The electric power here, you've got the bilge pump, and then you've got twin windscreen wipers, which today you need. Unfortunately, we're struggling with the weather today, as you can probably tell. Over on the starboard side here, you've got the throttle, which has got the trim for the engine on the end, and then of course the all-important kill cord, which we always recommend should be worn at all times. So really nice laid out helm. I've got great visibility looking around here, and I've even got a sliding window here, which is great for talking to the crew or getting a bit of fresh air. Another really nice feature on the Merry Fisher 695 is the opening sunroof, and all you do is move the handle and then she just tilts back. So as we come forward of the helm here, you've got the double berth arrangement. Now on here, because you've got this huge one-piece windscreen, you've got loads of natural light going into the space, and it makes it feel really, really nice. The boat feels very fresh, it doesn't feel like it's being heavily used. Coming slightly further aft of the sleeping area, you've got the manual operated sea heads, lots of room, and this is only a 695 boat. It's hard to believe you've got this many features on this size boat. It really does show you how well the boat's been thought out and designed.